I met Mzee together with my mother at Amboseli Creek, and we had dinner. Both of them confirmed to me.
Just for record, Amboseli Grill, where is that?
Amboseli Grill was then at the Hilton Hotel. I don't know if it still exists because the Hilton Hotel had closed for some time.
So it was a restaurant within?
It was a restaurant.
All right, just carry on.
And there, both mom and dad, both Mzee and mom, confirmed to me that they didn't want to subject me to a lot of injustice. And so they felt it was important that they tell me who I really was. Mom said, this one seated here is your biological father. Even if you look at his hands and your hands, you will notice some similarity. I was tongue-tied. I didn't have anything to say. But Daddy confirmed in the affirmative. He said, yes, Jack, we are your parents. It is better for you to get it from us and not in the public domain, because there are people who know, and it would be the most unfortunate thing for you to get it from other quarters. The names on the will were going to be Jacob Ochola Mwai.
Just tell me,
yes,
did you adapt the name Mwai in anticipation of generating this claim now before the court?
No.
What was it in aid of?
It was to get my entitlement if the will was down in my name.